So guys, the Abia State government has said that the Governor Alex Otti was committed to rebuild the state and that a total of 70 roads have been fixed in Aba and Umuahia within the last 11 months in office. Kano, Commissioner for Information and Culture, disclosed this while briefing the press at the government house on the outcome of this week's Executive Council meeting chaired by Governor Alex Otti. So guys, he said that most of the roads so far executed were through direct labor, which he also noted that the Isieketa Obikabia road was last week completed, adding that the other ongoing road projects including Osa, Port Harcourt Road, Aba, Umuahia, Uzakoli Isukwato Hafia Road, then the Nonya Isukwato Road, Arotukundi Ukiri Kozo Abam Road, among other road projects we are progressing. So guys, Kano also said that the government had done a lot in the past 11 months, including the offsetting of the pension arrears and restoring full payment of pension to pensioners in the state. The Abia Information Boss hinted that the state government was interested in improvements of workers' welfare in the state and was currently monitoring conversations of the federal government on the issue of salary increments. He assured that the state would make a proclamation at the appropriate time in line with what it could afford. So guys, if you are new to this channel, please do well to like, comment, and also most importantly subscribe to our channel. Please, if you are new to this channel, just subscribe. So guys, I want to inform you that it's 11 months ago that this government took over the reins of power in Abia State. It's 11 months ago that His Excellency Dr. Alex Otti promised Abians that he was going to rebuild the state, and you will agree with me that it has been 11 months of power-packed performance by this administration. So guys, they have done so much in these 11 months, and that is not sounding immodest. It's been a case of promise made and promise kept. Last month, when the government paid outstanding pension arrears to our pensioners, there was a promise made, and that promise is that as from this month, April, our pensioners, we are going to get 100% of their pensions. I want to announce to us that that has just happened. Since the 27th of this month, they have been receiving their alerts. So guys, Chinedu Ekeke, Deputy Chief of Staff to the Governor, in his contribution said that the Alex Otti administration was interested in the welfare of workers. The federal government is currently considering a wage review and negotiations are ongoing, and at the state executive council level they are monitoring that conversation. So guys, our stand as a state government is that we do not want to go ahead of the federal government to make a proclamation on that, because you do not know where the direction that the federal government is headed. So it's better for us to wait and then see what the federal government wants to do, and then we now look at what we can afford as a state and then move. But clearly the state government is interested in the improvement of workers' welfare, and salaries increment is also part of that plan. So answering a question on the incessant harassment of Abians and residents in Aba by the Rapid Response Team, Ekeke said such was not acceptable by the state government and would not be tolerated in the state. Abia State under the current leadership is different in terms of how we think and how we do things around the government, and His Excellency Dr. Alex Otti took an oath to actually protect the lives and the properties of everybody in the state within the limits His Excellency can do. He is doing that. So guys, we have come to the end of this video. If you are new to this channel, please do well to subscribe, like, and also drop a comment below. Thank you for staying with us, and see you guys in the next video.